Yo, have you heard of the internet? Because we use that. You can book all your bus tickets online in an easy, cool interface. You can use a computer. You can even use your cell phone. You can book tickets in all these different countries, go on some rad trips, man. It's gonna be sick.
Wow, this is so convenient.
It's totally convenient. Our team at Busbud helps get tickets to you. We make it easy, simple on the website, so you can take your free spirit and travel in a sustainable way all around the globe.
Yeah, this is Busbud.
While working at Busbud, we offer you full Macintosh technology. If you need a break, relax with a ping pong game, coffee machine, drinks every Friday, and a lot of fun. Come join us at the Busbud Startup Open House, September 20th, 1998. Oops, sorry, 2018.